In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Surfshark Proxy connection error if you're experiencing issues with your Surfshark connection. Don't worry, I'm here to guide you through this simple troubleshooting process. By the end of this video, you'll have your Surfshark VPN up and running smoothly. First, let's start by going to the Surfshark app. Simply locate the Surfshark icon on your device and open it up. If you don't have the app yet, make sure you download it from the official Surfshark website or your device's app store. Once you have the app open, familiarize yourself with its interface, as this will make the following steps easier to follow. Now, you'll want to navigate to the settings. Inside the app, look around for a settings icon, often represented as a gear or cog symbol. Clicking on this will open the settings menu, where we can make some adjustments to improve your connection. Within the settings menu, you should see an option labeled Protocol. Finding and selecting this is our next task. The protocol is essentially the method your device and Surfshark use to communicate. Sometimes, connection errors can be resolved by simply updating or changing this method, so don't be intimidated. We're almost there. After you've clicked on Protocol, you'll have the option to choose a different VPN protocol. Surfshark typically offers several options, such as OpenVPN, IKEv2 IPsec, or WireGuard. Each of these protocols has its own strengths, but if you're encountering issues, switching to another one might solve your problem. For instance, if you're currently using IKEv2, try switching to OpenVPN or WireGuard instead. Experimenting with different protocols can often improve your connection reliability, as some protocols might work better based on your location or network situation. If you've tried alternative protocols and the connection is still spotty, don't worry. Sometimes these things just take a little bit of trial and error. It's also beneficial to ensure that your internet connection itself is stable, as a shaky network can affect VPN connectivity. Hopefully, by following these steps, you've been able to fix the connection error. If you're still encountering difficulties, consider reaching out to Surfshark's customer support for further assistance, as they can provide personalized help for your specific situation. So, there you have it, a quick and straightforward method to address connection errors with Surfshark VPN. Remember, technology can sometimes present issues, but with a little patience and these steps, you'll resolve them effectively. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps get you back online securely and smoothly.